Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that often perplexes traders: why is option selling costly? We'll break down this concept and provide you with a straightforward explanation. Let's dive right in. Understanding option selling. First, let's clarify what option selling means. In the world of options trading, there are two primary positions: buying options and selling options. When you sell an option, you're essentially giving someone else the right to buy or sell an asset from you at a specified price, known as the strike price. The cost of risk. The cost associated with option selling primarily arises from the risk you're taking. When you sell options, you're exposed to potentially unlimited losses. For instance, if you sell a call option, and the underlying asset's price skyrockets, you might be forced to buy that asset at a much higher price to fulfill your obligation. Margin requirements. To mitigate this risk, brokers impose margin requirements when you sell options. Margin is a safety net that ensures you have enough funds to cover potential losses. However, these margin requirements can tie up a significant portion of your capital, making it seem costly. Implied volatility. Another factor affecting the cost of option selling is implied volatility. When markets are highly volatile, option premiums tend to rise. As a seller, you might receive a higher premium, but this also means you're taking on more risk. Increased volatility can lead to larger price swings, potentially resulting in losses. The bonus point, time decay. Bonus point. One advantage of option selling is time decay. As time passes, the value of options erodes, which can work in your favor as a seller. However, this also means that you need to be patient and manage your trades effectively to capture this decay. In conclusion, option selling appears costly due to the risks involved, margin requirements, and the impact of implied volatility. It's essential to fully understand these factors before engaging in option selling. While it can be a profitable strategy, it's not without its expenses and risks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more content related to finance and trading. Remember, option selling can be a valuable tool, but it requires careful planning and risk management to navigate successfully.